Antelopes are the real sprinters of the savanna. They are so fast and graceful that it is simply breathtaking to see them rushing across the plain. By the way, antelopes come in all sorts of sizes, from tiny dik-diks, which are the size of a hare, to huge elands, which can weigh up to a ton. It's like comparing a motorcycle and a truck. Antelopes are also masters of survival. They have adapted to a variety of conditions, from African savannas to Asian deserts. Where there is grass, there is an antelope. Their horns are not just decoration. In some species, for example in kudu, they are so long and twisted that it seems like a work of art, and the horns also help protect against predators. Antelopes are herd animals. They live in groups to make it easier to spot predators and protect themselves. There are always sentinels in the herd who warn of danger. Antelopes are also excellent jumpers. Some species, such as springbok, can jump up to 3 meters in the air. It's like jumping over a 2-story house. Their speed is simply amazing. Antelopes, such as wildebeests and gazelles, can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. This helps them escape from cheetahs and other predators. Antelopes are an important part of the ecosystem. They feed on grass and leaves, helping to control vegetation, and they themselves become prey for predators, maintaining the balance in nature. And finally, antelopes often become a symbol of grace and freedom. Their images can be found in art, myths, and even on the coats of arms of some countries. Baboons are such funny and serious guys at the same time. They are smart, social, and always know how to get out of a difficult situation. If animals had their own politicians, then baboons would definitely take first place. By the way, baboons live in large groups, sometimes up to 200 individuals. There is a strict hierarchy in their troop where everyone knows their place. And the strongest and most experienced males usually lead. And baboons are also masters of communication. They use not only sounds, but also facial expressions, gestures, and even touch to convey information to each other. It's like a real sign language. Their diet is like a buffet. Baboons eat everything from fruits and leaves to insects, and even small animals. They do not disdain human food if they can steal it. Baboons are excellent climbers. They deftly climb trees, but spend most of their time on the ground, where they feel quite comfortable. Baboons are also caring parents. Mothers carry their babies on themselves, and males protect them from danger. The entire troop is involved in raising the babies. Their teeth are like sharp daggers. Baboons use them not only for food, but also for defense. If someone violates the boundaries of their territory, a serious conflict can occur. Baboons are also excellent observers. They often follow lions or other predators to pick up the remains of their prey. Well, why hunt if you can dine at someone else's expense? And finally, baboons play an important role in the ecosystem. They help spread plant seeds and control insect populations. The moose is a real giant of the forest. It is so big and powerful that it simply takes your breath away when you see it in the wild. By the way, the moose is the largest representative of the deer family. It can weigh up to 700 kilograms, and its antlers can reach a span of 2 meters. It's as if you were wearing a whole bicycle on your head. Moose are also excellent swimmers. They can swim several kilometers and even dive to a depth of 5 meters to get aquatic plants. Like real aquatic athletes. Their antlers are not just decoration. Moose use them for protection and in mating fights. By the way, every year they shed their antlers and then grow new ones. It's like an annual upgrade. Moose are vegetarians. They feed on grass, leaves, bark, and aquatic plants. An adult moose can eat up to 30 kilograms of food per day. It's as if you ate 60 hamburgers in one sitting. Their legs are like long stilts. Moose can easily move through deep snow or swamps where other animals would simply get stuck. By the way, moose are excellent runners. They can reach speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour, which helps them escape from predators. They can also jump over obstacles up to 2 meters high. Moose play an important role in the ecosystem. They help control vegetation and create living conditions for other animals. Without them, forests might look completely different. And finally, moose are a symbol of wildlife. Their image is often used in art and culture to emphasize strength and power. Hawks are the real aces of the sky. They are so fast and agile that it is simply breathtaking to watch them dive for prey. By the way, hawks are masters of hunting. They can reach speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour when diving for prey. It is as if you were racing in a sports car, only without a road. Hawks are also excellent parents. They build nests high in trees or cliffs and take care of the chicks together. Mom and dad take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the babies. Their vision is simply a superpower. Hawks can spot prey from a distance of several kilometers. It is as if you saw an ant from the height of a 10-story building. Hawks are territorial birds. They mark their territory and fiercely defend it from strangers. If someone violates the boundaries, a serious conflict can occur. Their claws are like sharp daggers. Hawks catch prey in flight and can lift an animal that weighs almost as much as themselves. By the way, hawks are smart birds. They can remember places where there is a lot of prey and return there again and again. It's like knowing all the best cafes in town. Hawks also play an important role in the ecosystem. They help control the population of rodents and other small animals, maintaining balance in nature. And finally, hawks are a symbol of strength and freedom. Their image is often used in art and culture to emphasize power and grace. Mongooses are such small but fearless animals. They are known for their ability to fight poisonous snakes, including cobras. It's as if they have a built-in immunity to fear. By the way, mongooses are actually resistant to snake venom. Their nervous system is slightly different, so the venom has a weaker effect on them. But this does not mean that they are completely invulnerable. They just have a higher chance of surviving a bite. And mongooses are social animals. They live in groups where a strict hierarchy reigns. Together they hunt, protect territory, and take care of their offspring. It's like a small family where everyone has their own responsibilities. Their reactions are just amazing. Mongooses are so fast and agile that they can dodge snake bites like real ninjas. Mongooses are omnivores. They eat everything from insects and snakes to fruits and eggs. If they find a bird's nest, they will easily destroy it. Mongooses are also excellent diggers. They dig holes where they hide from predators and raise their young. Their holes can be entire labyrinths with several exits. Their fur is like armor. Some species of mongoose have such thick fur that even a snake bite cannot always penetrate it. Mongooses are also excellent rodent hunters. In some countries, they are even specially tamed to help fight pests on farms. And finally, mongooses are a symbol of courage and dexterity. They are often depicted in fairy tales and legends as heroes who defeat evil. Scorpions are real ancient warriors. They have existed on Earth for over 400 million years, having outlived even the dinosaurs. It is as if they have seen the entire history of the planet with their own eyes. By the way, scorpions are masters of survival. They can go without food for up to a year, and they are also able to slow down their metabolism in order to survive in the harshest conditions. And scorpions glow in ultraviolet light. If you shine a special lamp on them, they will glow with a bluish light. It is as if they have a built-in backlight. Their tail with a sting is not just a decoration. Scorpions use it for hunting and protection. The venom of some species can be fatal to humans, but most scorpions are no more dangerous than bees. Scorpions are nocturnal hunters. During the day, they hide under stones or in burrows, and at night they go hunting. Their prey is insects, spiders, and even small rodents. Scorpions are also great parents. Females carry their babies on their backs until they get stronger. It's like they have a built-in backpack for babies. By the way, scorpions are not insects, but arachnids. They have 8 legs, like spiders, and belong to the same class. Scorpions are also masters of disguise. Their color and body shape help them blend into their environment, making them almost invisible to prey and predators. And finally, scorpions are a symbol of endurance and strength. Their image is often used in myths and culture to emphasize power and mystery.